Hello folks, I'm Burhan and you're watching Stuff TV. We've always been fans of Realme devices since the diamond cut Realme 1 and the gradient back Realme 3. They've been exceptional devices, especially in the budget phone range, and today we have the Realme 3. From what it seems, this one has been consistent at the gym, maintaining its diet, and now is ready to take on other budget smartphones in the boxing ring. Can this sub 10,000 smartphone take on your simple budget smartphone? Let's find out. For less than 10,000 bucks, you're getting a 6.2-inch screen and a dual drop notch like the OnePlus 6T. It's not a full HD screen, but it does the job for basic Candy Crush or social media scrolling. With the Helios P70 processor taking care of business, this can handle social media, gaming, and whatever you bring at it. So bring it on, let's play some PUBG and get those chicken dinners. With a 4230 mAh battery sitting inside, this one's ready to bring you a full day's worth of juice. If you decide to head out camping with 50% charge, switch to deep power saving mode, and this will last you an entire weekend. The Realme 3 gets treated to Android Pie with the ColorOS 6 UI update. It gets similar navigation gestures like stock Android, and the notification bar gets a good looking overhaul too. Although, you'll still have to live with some bloatware. Its 13+2 megapixel dual camera uses HDR to stack up pictures, giving you neat detailing and balanced exposure levels. Trust us, you'll be surprised with what a budget phone can shoot these days. Go all out with pouts, kisses or smiles. The 13 megapixel front camera on the dual top notch delivers great selfies with good detail and good saturation. If you think you're still ugly looking, turn on beauty and portrait mode, update your Tinder profile, and watch those matches increase. The Realme 3 has great potential to dethrone other budget smartphones. It's got a mid-range processor in the show, intelligent cameras, and Android Pie awesomeness. For 8,999, it may seem like a budget phone on paper, but from what we have tested, it sure doesn't feel like one.